People are absolutely miffed about Pride Month. They have been for a long time, right? And like Tony Perkins, for example, dude right here, he's been complaining about Pride Month for like ever. And now he's talking about how Pride Month is on a decline because of the Trump regime. You know, there's a chilling effect. They're afraid to support Pride parades or whatever. So I just want to bring you back in the past, do a little reverse, to talk about some of the stupid shit that Republicans have said and done regarding Pride Month. If you don't know who this is Forgiato Blow. This is actually an older clip of him. He made a song called, oh God, Targeting Your Kids or something. I don't remember the name of it. Anyway, it's about Target. And if you remember, like forever ago, this picture went viral of a Pride shirt in a children's section at Target. And it just exploded, got gigantic. And you get like Forgiato Blow, a MAGA rapper, complaining about them targeting kids. When in reality, the person that took that picture grabbed a rainbow shirt off of a shelf, walked to the kids section, held it up, snapped a picture in the kids section, and then set it down. It was not a children's shirt from the children's section, is my point. It's all fabricated anger. But I want to go back to this in the spirit of pride, and I want to listen to Forgiato Blow sing this with Taylor Swift's voice.
Yeah, digital shoppers, yeah.
Yeah, I got into AI voice cloning, basically, and I cloned Taylor Swift's voice, and I replaced all of their voices with it.
Yeah, there's a cleanup on every aisle, yeah.
It's not flawless, but it's pretty good.
It is target your kids, yeah. They put a target on your back, they're targeting your kids. They don't even need to ask, as we wonder what it is. Yeah, that's why I keep it strapped.
Why does this dude have such a sexy f***ing voice? Is it just me? My God.
You wonder what it is, yeah, that's why I keep it strapped. I'm always by my best. If the chanting gotta stop, then we know we're gonna win.
Okay, so Target is quote-unquote targeting people's kids, and that's why he stays strapped. That's what he just said. Aside from that, if you watch through this whole video, I've watched it a couple of times, they go through this whole store, this whole Target store, and literally the only thing that has rainbows on it anywhere is this right here. Wait, this one end cap or whatever you call it with the wine. It's got little rainbow wine bottles. Obviously not for children, right? It's wine. Rainbow wine bottles for adults. And they're losing their fucking minds. If you watch closely, you'll see that they go through this store and point at random stuff like they're complaining about it, like it's grooming children. And it's literally just normal like this Rainbow High yearbook. That's not pride related. That's just a normal book. You know, not everything, you know, rainbows existed before gay people, right? Oh my God. And then you got, you know what? We'll watch. You'll see what I have to bitch about as we go. I swear the closest to feeling happy MAGA gets is feeling enraged. I know. Like, what is wrong with these people, dude? I'm very curious about what copyright law will have to say about this. The beat would probably, I'm just thinking about it from a legal perspective. YouTube would probably be triggered by the beat, but this song is not entered into the copyright system, so it never gets dinged anytime I upload it. The voice, I would say the voice is derivative because it's not actually, I'm creating something unique with her work or voice or whatever. I think it would probably fall into fair use, but anyway.
Yeah, there's a cleanup on every aisle. Yeah.
You see that? Look. What's he pointing at? It's a fucking truck. What are you complaining about? Yes, they sell trucks at Target. What is he angry about here? Seriously, they literally could not find a single thing to bitch about except for those rainbow wine bottles. And honestly, are those rainbow wine bottles actually pride related? I don't know. The Rainbow High thing was not.
Yeah, target your kids, yeah. They put a target on your back, they targeting your cage. They don't even need to ask, as we wonder what it is. Yeah, that's why I keep it strapped. I'm always by my best. This agenda gotta stop. Then we know we're gonna win. When they target, yeah, they targeting.
You know, this is honestly a sick beat. You know what? I want to listen to this with Eminem's voice instead.
Target, yeah, they target kids. Target, yeah, they targeting.
No, in all seriousness, Eminem would not debase himself to say some stupid like this. He endorsed Kamala.
Target,
Eminem's a bad motherfucker.
targeting. Target, yeah, they talk. You know they all get it wrong. Time to play with these kids. Get a mayor, a MAGA film. I'm preaching the game.
God, these people are so goddamn cringy. And look, this is another thing. He's bitching about tampons being in a pink box and a blue box. Do you think they're producing them for men and women? What are you complaining about? I don't understand. Oh my God. This is so stupid. Oh my God, dude. This one sounds a lot more like Eminem than the other one did, Taylor Swift. Yeah, the Eminem one is really good because Eminem speaks in a lot of his songs, and this was trained on their songs. So it picked up on his voice prosody, his tone and stuff a lot more efficiently and effectively.
You know that LGBTQ don't went too far. You know they cutting these kids, they leave.
Yeah, slur, jumping forward. Leaving trans people with scars.
Out in sexual gender. Somebody rocking with Bruce, but violent, no killing gender. You that gay don't get you paid. Yo, they lost her. His mom, Marla's one is one of all we trouble, baby.
God, these people are so fucking cringy. Really. It it makes you want to vomit. It's so fucking cringy, right?
They put a target on my back, but they're targeting your kids. They don't even need to ask, cause you wonder what it is. Yeah, that's why I keep a strap, and I'm always about my biz. This agenda gotta stop. Yeah, you know we gonna win when they target, yeah, they targeting. Target, yeah, they target kids.
Again, look, what is he complaining about? What's he complaining about? It's a truck. So what? Who fucking cares? You found a truck. Yes, you're in the toy aisle. Is that a surprise to you?
Kids, target, yeah, they targeting. Target, yeah, they target can. Heard the news story, targeting can. They going after our youth, and yeah, they do it like this. If you ain't mad yet, well, then you better be pissed. Let's protest until they close and they ain't gonna be missed. Why they got pride shirts in the kids' clothing section?
Why they got pride shirts in kids' clothing section? They don't. They didn't. They never did. Somebody grabbed a shirt off the shelf, walked it over to the pride section, or over to the kids section, snapped a picture, uploaded it. That's what happened. These people live in another dimension. And so what if they did? Yeah, somebody says, so what if they did? So what? Who fucking cares? If they have a rainbow shirt for children. Why is it any of your fucking business what people do with their lives? It's not. The party of small government, quote unquote, wants it small enough to drown it in the bathtub, according to Grover Norquist, is about this.
While they're trying to mess with the kids and give misconception of manipulating minds and making evil impressions. Got little boys talking up like Tommy King's at depression. We only play up on every I'm side. They start saying resides.
So I can't understand a fucking word he's saying. I think he's saying something like, we need to clean up on every aisle. For what? What are you cleaning up? These are fucking dolls.
Every I'm shot, they start shading resides.
Shotzi start shading resides? What?
Wash it with the blood of Christ. It's needed here, so we don't think twice. They team with a Satan mist. We all know this is the end. God is coming for revenge. Target is targeted, and so we only back that.
It's so fucking stupid, dude. It is so fucking stupid. I cannot stand it. I like rainbows. Nothing political/cultural about it. I just like the colors. Always have. I'd have loved to have a rainbow shirt as a kid. Yeah, who fucking cares? Like, there have been rainbow shirts forever. It's crossing into territory. In fact, it's long been crossed into this territory that not only do they not want pride or like LGBT, whatever, being pushed on children. which it never was. It has been in this territory for a long time. They now want to erase any connection at all for anybody to Pride. Like, they don't just want Target not to sell kids stuff. They're not. They want Target to not sell Pride stuff at all. Full stop. They don't want gay anything anywhere in public. They're trying to shove people back into the closet.
That it's targeting your kids, they don't even need to ask, cause they wonder what it is. Yeah, that's why I keep a strap, spread of walls on my bed.
Again, like, look, I think he's bitching about the fact that there are blue boxes and pink boxes. I think that's really his complaint. Tell me you've never had a girlfriend without ever saying you've never had a girlfriend.
The walls on my bed, it's the jumping gotta stop. There we know we gonna win one day. Target, yeah, they forbidden. Target, yeah, they target can. Target, yeah, they targeting. Target, yeah, they target kids.
Anyway, wow, Jesus Christ, dude. This is so bad. Oh, the beat's kind of sick, honestly. But the song is so fucking stupid, and everything that they do through this entire thing is so fucking embarrassing. Oh my God, how do they not die of shame? Waving flags around in a fucking book section, holding up a Rainbow High yearbook. Like, does it get any cringier than this? How old is he, 40? Or standing there looking in the tampon aisle, talking about the different colored boxes. Really? This is just bad. Honestly, I gotta tell you guys, this guy knows how to throw a beat together. His singing is piss poor. His rapping is mediocre. I won't say it's piss poor, it's mediocre. His style is absolutely disgusting. I can't tell if this is a beard or a fucking what it is. He's got gigantic fucking Trump chains and but he knows how to throw a beat together, that is for sure. This is called Patriot Sweep, and it's going to be stuck in your head from here forward. Stone to dance like a fucking moron in his song. Look at this stupid shit. It's better than the Trump dance where he looks like he's having a good time with a couple of his buddies, right? Talk about Pride Month. Anyway, so he says the feds did a sweep basically to arrest January 6th insurrectionists, and he's complaining about it. He's sad. He's sad they were arrested, and they served 4 years in prison.
You know the feds did a sweep, whoa.
The feds did a sweep, whoa. You're a criminal. And also, that's kind of the vibe you're trying to give in the first place, right? Trying to act like some tough guy, like you're from a tough neighborhood or something, had a hard upbringing, and you gotta talk about your life or whatever. He's on my tail.
You know we went to DC to spread peace. There were more guns on the scene in the Middle East.
They went to DC to spread peace on January 6th. They were spreading peace, you see. Absolutely. Democrats. Michael Flynn talked to him. Oh my God, dude.
Who want Trump one? Who want Trump one? Watermark the baddest 45, the chosen one. You know the feds did a sweep.
So right there he mentioned watermark something or other. That was a conspiracy theory. QAnoners claimed that Donald Trump released some watermarked ballots into circulation to prove that they were stolen or whatever. I don't even know what the line of thinking was. Of course, it was complete bullshit. It was a lie all the way down. Like, literally none of it was true. But it somehow slips into this stupid shit.
45, the chosen.
And by the way, you trying to give me a seizure here or something? Like, what the? It was hell.
Trump gave him rooms in his DC hotel.
Trump gave them rooms in his DC hotel, okay?
Before I read MAGA, they said I'm Illuminati.
Before I rapped MAGA, they said I'm Illuminati. Damn, I didn't know it cut off there. God, dude, these people. Oh my God. Okay, maybe I shouldn't play this, but all this this dude is doing about the LGBT community, right? He's just can't stand it. Doesn't like the LGBT community. Pissed off by it, if you will. And then he releases this song.
Got the mud dripping. Take your top off. Let them titties get some mud on them. I'm a city slick and activist drug proer. In the sticks drinking purple with the gang. Got my
Okay, just talking about, you know, a woman taking off her bra and drinking some alcohol, I think. Generally acting in a disreputable way. Go on.
40 with that 30 clip on my tailgate. Lifted trucks in these fucking dirt roads. Still sipping syrup posted at the rodeo.
Still sipping scissor, I think he said, at the rodeo.
That moonshine got your chick wet. That diesel thing cost a big check. I heard they call that bitch rubberneck.
Call that rubberneck, okay.
Do it all for $100 bill. Yeah, popping gone on the pill. Gone. Crack another seal. Woke up in the morning, she ain't even know the deal. Got like two.
I'm sorry, what? One more time, what was that, good sir?
Like two.
What's all this? I thought you were anti-LGBT. What happened to this anti-rainbow that you were complaining about? Now you're suddenly fine with it? What a complete sack of dude. I don't like insulting people. I try not to do that, honestly, but sometimes I can't help myself. Aside from that, what happened? You dropped the ball on the anti-LGBT. You think that Roger Stone would be okay with that? Well, Roger Stone would probably be okay with that. You think that Tony Perkins would be okay with this? You think he would like this? Two bitches? I don't think so.
That's 4 bitches in my trailer, yeah, I it in all them.
Okay, now we've moved past the part. Anyway, sorry. A lot of censoring to do on that video when it eventually hits the thing. Yeah, that was just cringy as shit. That's absolutely terrible, dude. Anyway, God, that is so entertaining to me, though, dude. I love doing throwbacks like that. Let me know what you think in the comments. Oh my God. Okay, one more thing about this guy. Totally forgot about this. I have some really top-tier community posts in one man's humble opinion. Check out these community posts on YouTube. Look, Trump-branded cereal. Seriously. I wanted to buy some, and then I found out that I have to pre-order it. They're taking pre-orders. But this is what I was looking for right here. His shirt literally says, "Born to ride Donald J. Trump." It literally says, "Born to ride Donald J. Trump." More pro-gay stuff, brother. What happened? You're dropping the ball here. Talking about two bitches, and now you're going to be riding Donald Trump. What's happening? Hold the line. Oh my God, dude. It's so stupid. Like, fascism is a deeply disturbing thing to watch rise like we have. But I'll be damned if it's not so fucking stupid. It is so stupid. Some of the things that these people say and do, it is embarrassing. And I can't get enough of it. It is so entertaining. Yeah, check this community post out. Look at this dumb motherfucker. He looks almost as stupid as people who name their kids after Wi-Fi passwords. Of course, a subtle dig at Elon Musk. Not so subtle dig at Elon Musk. Anyway, picture of Hitler on a bobsled. People are idiots. Yeah, tell me what you think about it in the comments.